Welcome to the Robotics for Good Youth Challenge 2025 to 2026. This year's challenge is all about advancing food security. The competition field for each team measures 1,181 millimeters in length and 1,143 millimeters in width. Each team plays simultaneously in their respective competition field, which together constitute the overall game board. Each round starts with every robot fully inside the start box. Teams may use one or more robots, as long as they all fit here. Before each match, the referee marks two of the three colored plots, orange, gray, or green, as active, leaving one inactive. This applies to both junior and senior categories and is mirrored on both halves of the board. Seeds start in the home zone. You may load them by hand while the robot is inside the starting zone. Points count only when each seed is correctly placed in the matching color zone. For the junior category, each correctly placed seed scores 10 points. For the senior category, each correctly placed seed scored 5 points. Senior bonus: if a subdivision square contains exactly one seed fully inside, that seed earns an extra 10 points. If two seeds share the same subdivision, no bonus is awarded. Seeds that rest on the wooden frame and are not fully inside the correct field do not score. After planting, the robot must water only the fields that have seeds by opening a gate that drops 2 blue balls. Watering an empty plot scores 0 points for juniors and minus 10 points for seniors. Watering a seeded field is worth 30 points in both categories. In Mission 2, robots harvest and sort 3 kinds of fruit. Before each match, the referee arranges the 3 fruit rows in a random order, and that same layout is mirrored on both halves of the board, so both teams face identical conditions. Removing a red or black fruit from its start circle scores 5 points in both junior and senior categories. Placing a red fruit in a fruit zone adds 5 points, while placing a black fruit in the fruit zone adds 10 points. Teams may use either side for fruits or waste, as long as the two types remain separated. In the senior category, placing a red fruit in the waste zone cancels the score and deducts 5 points, while placing a black fruit in the fruit zone cancels the score and deducts 10 points. In the senior category, moving a green fruit from its starting position, meaning it is fully outside its circular marker, results in a 5-point penalty. This action is not penalized in the junior category. Lose 20 points for touching the robot or field, giving seeds outside the start box, or if a robot leaves the board. Full details are in the rulebook. Point values change by age group. For the full list, see the rulebook. Visit the Robotics for Good Youth Challenge website for updates and resources. Good luck to all teams in the Youth Challenge 2025 to 2026.